Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Nine Malls as seen on TV and Gadget review and food review channel. Today, I'm going to review the Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave Poach Perfect. Poach Perfect eggs, no mess, odor-free, BPA-free, dishwasher-safe. This is a kitchen gadget. This is one of my more popular videos when I did the edited version of this review. I picked this up at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is a great store if you don't know. This thing retailed for $3.99, and it's much more expensive online as usual. So every time, if you can find it locally, you will save money, almost guaranteed. So this was $3.99 at TJ Maxx, but I found it online for about $12.99. And this thing got 3.2 out of 5 stars. And we're going to test it out today, see if it makes perfect poached eggs, because it is, after all, called Poach Perfect. No mess, odor-free, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe. So Poach Perfect eggs in 2 minutes or less. The Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave Poach Perfect can poach up to 2 eggs perfectly in the microwave in 2 minutes or less. Easy to use. You just fill it to the water line, and then you put it in the microwave. And so let's see if this actually works. This is a kitchen gadget, and it's a microwave product. And you can see right there the nice fill line, so you don't have to guess with the water. I have some nice colored Easter eggs here. So I'm going to use some nice Easter eggs that I have left from my video of coloring Easter eggs, which was fun. And so let's get some nice water here, some filtered water, and just fill it up to the fill line so you can see that. And all you have to do is you crack the egg in these things. Yep, I'm going to use some Easter eggs. They aren't hard boiled. I have to read the directions. I'm not sure if you're supposed to add vinegar or not. But let's try it out, see if it works. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 2 minutes, take it out, and see if we have some nice poached eggs. All right, just waiting for 2 minutes. Yeah, $3 a dozen here. It's about the same for me. 18 eggs, Fred Meyer's, which is a Kroger store. So it's like $2.99 or something like that. It's a pretty good deal. So, no mess. Use a snap-on lid to prevent messes. It says, easy pour spout. After poaching, quickly pour the excess water through the double pour. Gosh, my voice, scratchy. I wish there was a mute button. So this is called the Prep Solution by Progressive Microwave Poach Perfect. And I did an edited video of this. And we'll see if it actually works again. Test it out. See if it's any good. All right, so one of the key features is you pour it out. So watch this. Look at that. So that right there is why it's a kitchen gadget. You can pour out the water. All right, so how did it cook? Here we go. And check that out. Look at that. So in 2 minutes, do you actually have nice poached eggs? The Progressive Poach Perfect. Got it from TJ Maxx for $3.99. Online is much more. You can get it online for about $12.99. And even more if you pay shipping costs. All right, so here we go. Well, actually, let's get some salt and pepper. All right. A little bit of sriracha. A little bit of ketchup there. All right, so here we go. Cut it in half. And check that out. So that's exactly the way I like them. Where they're a little bit soft in the center. Check that out. So it looks pretty good. But how does it taste? So here we go. The moment of, actually, no. The moment of truth. All right, 3, 2, 1. So yeah, it tastes great. Boiled egg, poached egg. Let's see what the description says. The prep solution by Progressive Microwave Poach Perfect can poach up to 2 eggs perfectly in the microwave. So that's the official statement. Christine, thank you. Appreciate it. So according to the official statement of the manufacturer, it does poach eggs. But please give me the definition. All right, so tastes delicious. It's great. Doesn't taste rubbery at all. As far as microwave eggs go, I mean, this is good. And yeah, it's relatively well built. It's not like flimsy plastic. You know, the lid attaches securely. You can pour it out, you know, the water out. It makes it real easy. Man, my throat is scratchy. I got allergies like crazy. Okay, so, but you can pour out the water. It's really easy. And yeah, I mean, for $3.99, I would recommend it. For more, you know, the retail price online, which is about $12.99, I think that's a little bit too much. But if you can find it locally, especially at like TJ Maxx or something, I'd say go for it. If you just want some quick eggs in the morning with minimal cleanup, I would say go for it. So let me know what you think. This is the prep solution by Progressive Microwave Poach Perfect eggs, no mess, odor free, BPA free, dishwasher safe. They get 3.2 out of 5 stars, 9 ratings, $12.99 retail price. And at the local TJ Maxx, if you can find it, it's about $3.99. That's how much I paid for it. You know, and so it's a cool item. And I did recommend it in my edited video when I did it the first time, and I do recommend it again. I put it in 2 minutes, and it makes some nice eggs. So thanks for watching, everyone. More reviews coming soon. Maybe more gadgets, maybe more food reviews. And until next time, I'll see you later.